So we have already learned that frequency distribution table, which is called frequency distribution table, and ungrouped frequency distribution table, grouped frequency distribution table. These two things we have discussed. Ungrouped is nothing but for individual value we are going to have. So now here the question is given to you to represent these data in some data in a frequency distribution. Is normally data collected primary data hai, which is called primary data. The first step directly when you are collecting the data by the questionnaire, by by asking a question to someone, or giving the some questions to someone, or by inquiring, by the observation when you are collecting the data, which is called as a primary. What already we have learned. And secondary data is nothing but the data already existed in the form of any other form. And you are going and collecting it. It is called as a secondary data. And data, whenever you are collected, it may be in different form. So the first question, whenever you see that, here it is given to you that the blood groups of the 30 students of the class 8 are recorded as follows. So what are the blood groups are given to you? Let us, I'm going to note down here: A, B, O, O, AB, O, A, O, B, O, A, O, B, AO, AO, BA, OO. Next, A, AB, O, A, OO, AB, BA, OBA, OBA, oh, B comma A, sorry. B comma A, O, next B, A, B comma O. So these are the 30 students. 30 here, now once you can check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like the 30. Okay, 30 hoga. Now what is the question asking to you to represent this data in the form of the frequency distribution table, which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among the students. So whenever you want to tally marks is needed to you, what is meant by tally marks? What are the different blood groups it is available in this data? किधर देख रहे Krishna? No, somewhere else you are seeing and laughing. Concentrate here. So what are the different blood groups are there, and what is the frequency of that each blood group? Means how many members are having that particular blood group? You need to note, write it. For that, it is not a blood group. So one tabular form you need to take. Blood group and tally marks and frequency. So these are the things you need to, and the 3 columns to be taken into consideration. So what are the different blood groups are there? A, B, O, A, B. That's all. No? These are the 4 different blood groups are there. Now here you see here, whenever you are marking the tally marks, what do you have to, don't consider that you can count actually, but counting may sometimes it may take more time, it may confuse you sometimes. So but first one क्या है, ये इधर one line होगा. Second क्या है, B में one line है. So if you want to avoid the confusion, lines also you can draw like this. This is the okay. B and O का place में one, and second O means second line. Next AB का place में one, O का, next A, next O, next B, next A, next O. So whenever it completes the 4, fifth one you cancel this one. एक bunch बना. तो अब किधर तक हो गया वो थोड़ा सा याद रखना. तो किधर तक इधर तक हो गया ना. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth. So fifth one, whenever it comes, oh, cancel that one. ये complete bunch 5 होगा. Easy to calculate. ये पूरा 5 होगा. That is the easy way to calculate. Next to B है. So B को mark करना है. Next A को. Next O. Next ये cancel कर. Next AB को 1. वो again ये 2 times. वो 2 times. One time line, another time cancel. So next AB 1 time. Next B 1 time. A another time. Next O again once. B cancel. A 1 time. B 1 more time. O. Now you have to count how many times is there. So this is 5 plus 4. ये 5 है. This is 4. So this is frequency is 9. That means A blood group 9 persons are having. Blood group A is 9 persons. Next B blood group 6. Next this is 10, 12. Next AB 3. So total once you count this one, you need to get the 30 because the data is given for the 30 students. The data is given for 30 students. Very simple question, isn't it? Everyone can easily do it. Just वो देख के count करना ही और कुछ नहीं. Okay? Copy this. This is no क्यों इसमें क्या है very simple 14.1 is very simple you have to do it yesterday also I told you 14.1 is very simple here you can do it okay okay second problem one different model problems I'll explain to you the remaining problems are all similarly you can do it okay next this is whatever we did whether what is this one table is called ungrouped frequency distribution table because individually A group कितना लोगों को है ये B blood group कितना लोगों को है ये B blood group कितना लोगों का है वो blood group कितना लोगों का है that we have given so ungrouped individually we are giving the data so that's why it is called ungrouped in the second problem it is asking you to construct the grouped frequency distribution table. Here the question is given 40 engineers from their residence, the distance in kilometers. 40 engineers ka distance residence from their workplace. So how many kilometers it is given to you? So the data is given to you like this here. 5, 3, 10, 20, 10, 20, 25, 11, 13, 11, 13, 7, 12, 31 kilometers. Like that 40 employees ka distance is given. 19, 10, 12, 17, 18. Any one of you say? One. 7, 9, 7, 8, 3, 5, 12, 15, 18, 3, 12, 14, 2, 9, 6, 15, 15, 7, 6. These are the 40 employees engineers ka list. Grouped frequency distribution table with the class size 0 to class size 5 hona hai and given that the above taking the first interval as 0 to 5 so classes means here you need to class interval 0 to 5, next 5 to 10. तो इसमें 5 किलोमीटर किसका है वो इसमें नहीं लिखना है, सेकेंड वाले में लिखना है। 5 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस किसको है वो फर्स्ट वाले में नहीं लिखना है, सेकेंड वाले में लिखना है। तो व्हाट इज द features do you observe from this tabular presentation is the question. Means like this we have to form. So what is the maximum number it is given to you? No, in this kilometers में सबसे ज्यादा 32 है, so we need to make up to 35. So 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. So class intervals. Oh, sorry. Next, tally marks. Last, frequency. So better you make the table in a proper. So here you make the boxes. Next, first 5 किधर लिखना है, सेकेंड वाले में, सेकेंड वाले में लिखना 1, नेक्स्ट 3 इसमें आएगा, नेक्स्ट 10, 10 से थर्ड वाले में, नेक्स्ट 20 ये है इसमें इंक्लूड करना है, 25 इसमें इंक्लूड करना है, नेक्स्ट 11, 11 you have to include here, next 13 be here, next 7 here, next 12 here, 31, 31 is here, next 19, 19 will be here, next 10, 10 will be here, cancel that, next 12, 12 will be here, 17, 17 is here, 18 is here, 11, next 32, 17, 16, sorry 16 के कैंसिल, इसको कैंसिल कर, नेक्स्ट 2, 7, 9, 7, 8, 3, 5, 12, 8, 15, 18, 3, next 12, 14, 2, 9, 6, 15, 15 again, 7, 6, 12. Now count कर लो, here this is 5, this is 5 and 5, 10, 11, 11, 9, 1, 1, 2. Total कर लो, you need to get 40 because this is the data of the 40 employees. 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 11, 27, 27 plus 10, 37, 37 plus 3, 40. तो कुछ मिस नहीं हो गया हमको, 40 आ गया because the data is given about the 48 engineers. सिंपल है ना? हाँ कृष्ण, क्या नहीं लिख रहे? So for all the remaining, all the questions, it is given that same model questions are there. इसमें कुछ नहीं है. And in one question it is asking to you to find. Third question में range is asking. What is mean by range? How do you find out? Highest to minus lowest you need to do it. So find the frequency distribution table of the remaining all the questions. It is given to you. Particularly, it was given that some particular range is given. If the range is not given, what to do? Suppose ऐसा classes दे दिया है 0 to 5. So in every problem, it is given that these class size is given to you. Class size is given. And sometimes if the class size is not given, and if the class size only this data is given, class size is not given. So what class size can be taken into consider? So according to the your wish, even you if you can take convert it to 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. But whenever you take that, the table will not give the accurate data. So maximum, whenever it is given to you, number of the classes based on the number of the classes, you can divide according to your choice. Okay. So the remaining all the problems, I think you can do it. It's not a difficult task for you to do.